welcome back once again to my channel. So if you are new on this channel, my name is Hetikem. I am a makeup artist in real life and I also do makeups here on YouTube. So if you like to embark on this journey here on YouTube with me, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. But please follow me on my Instagram account. Yeah, I'll put it somewhere on the screen. So I'm starting off with my bare face, but I will just cleanse it a little bit. And the cleanser that I will be using is from Claire Razil.
Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker.
If you have any solution for me on how I can get rid of the pimple on my face, please leave a comment down. That would really be of help to me and I will so much appreciate it.
We didn't say a word too much.
It's a little bit hot because it has alcohol inside. Afterwards, I'm going to moisturize my face with Estee Lauder.
We were scared to fall back into the old habits.
I don't want much, just a little bit.
So why are we hiding in these crowded places? Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker face. We hiding in these crowded places. Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker face. I think it all came back when I was looking back at you. Oh, how I've missed those signs. You must have missed mine too. Did you breathe me in? If you would only know that you're in my air, for every second, everywhere I go. So why are we hiding in these crowded places? Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker face.
I will come back to you.
We've been so polite. We didn't say a word too much. We hid behind the daylight while I was longing for your touch. We never let the other in, 'cause we were scared to fall back into the old habits. But we will, yeah, we're on the track. So why are we hiding in these crowded places? 'Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. We hiding in these crowded places. 'Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker face.